Hi, my name is George Wolf, and I'd like to introduce you to an industry that's going to change the face of modern medicine over the next 25 years, and at the same time offer life-changing returns, returns that could catapult you into the ranks of the mega wealthy. Energy, telecom, banking, commodities, precious metals, all those supposedly hot investments have nothing on the market sector I'm going to tell you about today. How do returns of 11,640%, 36,233%, even 93,875% sound to you? Pretty darn good, right? So, what is this unbelievably profitable market sector? Biotech. Companies in this industry are changing the way we treat and prevent illness, recover from injuries, reverse the aging process, and much more. The top companies in this sector are creating cutting-edge drugs and medical treatments and are being rewarded as a result with supersized profits. And that means supersized returns for investors like you, if you act quickly enough. You see, the second coming of biotech is taking place as we speak. And I have just 475 spots for investors to come with me as we cash in on the upcoming Biotech Bonanza. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can join me and learn about the specific companies poised for huge winners. But first, how do I know so much about investing in biotech? Well, I literally wrote the book on the subject, The Biotech Investor's Bible, which is required reading in the field of biotechnology. I've been following this industry for over 15 years, sharing my expertise at leading universities like UCLA and Duke, as well as on CNBC, CBS, Bloomberg Television, and more. I've also worked as a behind-the-scenes consultant for top biotech firms, private money managers, and foreign governments. I'm not trying to brag, just show you why I'm one of the few people qualified to guide you through the lucrative world of biotech investing. Now, let's take a look at some specific biotech success stories, like Amgen, whose stock price rose from 9.1 cents in 1984 to $78 by 2000. That's an astonishing 938 times your money in just 16 years. $1,100 would have become more than $1 million. What I'm interested in are the next generation of biotech companies poised for gains like that, and on a much shorter time frame. Take Medivation Incorporated. Instead of spending millions on research and development, they invest in proven drug or medical device research and capitalize on it. They've experienced 774% gains in just 21 months. And with a new drug about to hit the market, a chemotherapy alternative for men's cancer treatment, it looks like they have a big hit on their hands. Or how about Regeneron Pharmaceuticals? They have a whole slew of breakthrough drugs in the pipeline. Already, they've experienced 874% gains since March 2009, the low point of the Great Recession. Just think of the profits you'll see when their next drug approval comes through. One last one, and it's a biggie. Questcor has developed a very complex drug that shows great potential in treating autoimmune and inflammatory diseases like multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and more. And it's been rewarded with 11,640% gains since August 2007. That's 116 times your money in less than 5 years. I think they'll be bigger than Amgen one day. These are the types of companies I track. And today, I'd like to give you an opportunity to look over my shoulder. In my Biotech Bonanza trading service, I keep a close eye on the up-and-comers in this market and share the best of the best with my readers every week. Each pick is the result of my proprietary evaluation process, which is based on 5 critical factors that have to do with the health and future performance of the company and its products. This sort of information is not easy to come by, except for someone with their finger on the pulse of biotech, like me. As a member of Biotech Bonanza, you'll be able to get in early and position yourself for big gains in biotech, the hottest sector going right now. Thanks to my in-depth research, long-time experience, and years of trial and error, I've developed a system that will minimize your risks and maximize your returns as a biotech investor. As I said, there are only 475 spots in this program. And after the release of this presentation, there's no telling how many will be left. So I urge you to act now and get in on the coming Biotech Bonanza with me. You can even try it risk-free for a month. And as a member, you'll also get my quick start guide to biotech investing free of charge. If you haven't invested in this market before, it'll get you up to speed. Get all the details below.